What we want to discuss today is just some general comments on the livestock management calendar that we have produced. Now, the aim of the calendar is to, on a monthly basis, indicate to farmers what they should be doing with their different livestock species. We've divided it into what we would call health management and also general management, all the things that you would be doing in general with those animals per month. We've also categorized it into essential activities and optional activities, where you could leave some things out that are not that important, but the essential ones are the ones that should be done. June, cattle acquired month, all that's required to be done is vitamin A, D and E administration. Sheep, again, vitamin A, D and E treatment, and you can vaccinate against black quarter and treat against nasal worm in sheep. In the mature ewes and the breeding rams, you will now be removing the rams from the ewes because this is now after you've introduced them. People have different strategies. Some would leave the rams or the ewes for 2 months, others would leave for 1 month. It's up to you, but you should not exceed 2 months. Then it becomes a problem for the kidding and the lambing. In the case of goats, you would now do your pulpy kidney vaccination, and you can do vitamin A, D and E. The mature ewes and the breeding rams, same as the sheep, you will be removing the rams, the same pattern, the same schedule. And the autumn kits, that's kits that were born the previous year but in autumn, they can now be dosed against milk tapeworm and roundworm.